These verses explain the term that from the phrase thou art that. This term groups together the concept of collective ignorance, which is the general misunderstanding that creates a sense of separation in the universe. It also includes cosmic entities like Ishvara, who knows everything, Hiranyagarbha, the source of all creation, and Virat, representing the entire physical world. When these elements come together, they show us that what appears to be diverse and separate is actually one unified reality, just like a red hot iron ball that glows uniformly from its heat. The iron appears to glow brightly, almost as if the glow is an intrinsic part of the iron. However, the glowing red appearance is not an inherent quality of the iron itself. It is due to the heat from the fire. The iron, by its nature, is just a dark, solid metal. The red hot appearance is temporary and caused by the external condition of being heated. Now, turning to Tao, which refers to our individual experiences. This includes our personal ignorance, our deep sleep state called pragya, our dreaming state tajas, and our waking state called visva. Even though these seem different at the core, they're all expressions of the same pure consciousness that is clear and untouched by these experiences, like that. When these individual aspects merge seamlessly, they reflect our true nature, which is free from any limitations. The phrase "thou art that" links these ideas. It tells us that our true self at the individual level and the vast universe at the cosmic level are essentially the same. This profound statement challenges us to see beyond our everyday perceptions of separation and realize that everything is interconnected through pure consciousness. In today's discussion, we explored the Vedantic concepts of that and thou, understanding how both the cosmic and individual aspects ultimately point to Brahman, the ultimate reality. And we learn how everything we perceive, from cosmic entities like Ishvara to our individual states of consciousness, are manifestations of the same undivided reality. And this sort of leads us to the profound realization encapsulated in the dictum, "Thou art that," highlighting the deep connection between our personal existence and the universal essence. This understanding invites us to transcend our usual perceptions and recognize our true nature as intimately linked with the universe.